Nadia and Katerina, and we're Kyiv addicts. 2020, with all its travel restrictions, forced us to be more creative to come up with some vacation ideas.
So today we will show you how to have a one-day vacation on the beach.
Oh, Katya, and how can we get there?
I don't know, maybe just walk.
The destination of today's video is Yubeka. This name has a warm reference to all Ukrainians, as Yubeka is an abbreviation for Southern Bank of Crimea, a beautiful Ukrainian Black Sea resort. Here we have a southern bank of Kiev. It is slightly different, but still has a lazy vacation atmosphere.
We have packed our bags, and ready to go on vacation.
To get to Yubeka, you need to cross a pedestrian bridge. You must have seen it on pictures, as this is an extremely popular photo location.
So finally we're here on Yubeka. So what are basic vacation requirements?
Beach,
A cocktail with umbrella,
dinner with a view.
and a disco on a terrace.
We will start from the beach, so we need an appropriate outfit.
Now we can grab a mojito and chill on the beach. Yubeka is located on the Trukhanov Island, which has few beaches for a variety of tastes. There are free city beaches, party beach like Yubeka, and a lot more options for your vacation. summer, Ljubljaca is overbooked with events. It has jazz concerts, concerts of popular bands, art house movies on the beach, DJs, and even a holy festival of colors. Sometimes you can see evidence of it on the scene. Ljubljaca is also a home of a hedonism music festival.
The sun is going down, so we're getting ready for a nice dinner with a view.
When the sun goes down, a disco starts.
I feel a little bit like Cinderella, as the vacation day is over and we have to come back to our busy lives. The bad thing is that our vacation is over. The good thing is that we can come here any day, maybe every day.
Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions on the locations we're visiting, you can write it here in comments and we will give you all necessary information.
Kyiv has so many beautiful places to see, don't miss it.